case learning pedagogy was pioneered by the Harvard University, but IMT Ghaziabad was one of the early adopters of this pedagogy in India. So what happens in a case learning classroom is that you tackle a dilemma that a leader is facing within a particular industry. The case learning classroom actually starts with the students giving their inputs, right? The students solve the case and they try to give answers to the questions that are set by the case. I think that allows the student to first of all develop critical thinking ability, wherein they are using their prior learning and their prior experience to look at a problem that is being given in the case. And then the professor sort of builds up an argument from an academic angle while solving the questions. So the student is actually, in a situation wherein they are seeing, oh, I never thought of it that way. They are actually experiencing how this framework is applied in this particular environment. So this experiential nature of learning stays with them for a longer period of time. So I think that is one of the most effective management learning pedagogies, and they are very effective when it comes to executive students because these people have prior work experience. So they relate back to it.